So in this video we will learn what is Ohm's law, its formula, graphical representation and an example problem. So let's see what is an Ohm's law. Ohm's law, it states that at constant temperature the potential difference across any 2 points of conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, which means you need to remember 2 points here. At constant temperature ante Ohm's law will work only if the temperature is constant. If the temperature is not constant and if the values are changing, then Ohm's law will not work. See, Ohm's law only at constant temperature it will work. ఈ కాన్స్టెంట్ టెంపరేచర్ కాకుండా మన వాల్యూస్ కనుక చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఓమ్స్ లా అనేది ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ work if it is not a constant temperature. And the potential difference across any 2 points of conductor is directly proportional to the current, which means that you can represent it in the form of V is directly proportional to I, which means this is our current, this is our potential difference, and this is a directly proportionality symbol. So when we are solving any equation and when we are removing proportionality, we will be getting a constant. We already knew this as we learned this in our mathematics. So what will happen now? If we remove this proportionality symbol, we will be getting a constant. So we will get V is equal to IR. Since we removed proportionality, the constant we get is R. So R is nothing but resistance, I is nothing but current, and V is nothing but voltage. So this is the general form of Ohm's law, and this is the definition of Ohm's law. So now let's see the graph. What does this graph tells? Since V is directly proportional to I. What is meant by directly proportional to I? If V is increasing, then I also increases. If V is decreasing, then I also decreases. That is meant by directly proportional. So now what is happening here? I am increasing the value of V. Hence, the value of I also increases. So we plotted this line. So this line represents that if we increase the value of V, then automatically the value of I also increases. So you can remember it in this way. If we are one value increases, then the other also increases. If one value decreases, then the other also decreases. This is meaning by directly proportionality. Now let's see an example with the help of an Ohm's law. So this is the question given to us. What are they asking us to find? Find the current flowing through the given circuit. So they are asking us to find I value. We were given V and R. So before solving this question, I will tell you a small thing. So we can use Ohm's law in 3 conditions. First condition is when we were given voltage and resistance and we were asked to find I value. And the next combination is when we were given voltage and current and were asked to find resistance. And the other condition is when we were given I value and resistance and were asked to find voltage. So in these 3 conditions we can use our Ohm's law. So according to this question, we were given V and R and we were asked to find I value. So as per the formula, V is equal to IR. So our I is equal to V by R. So this is the formula which we need to use. So now according to this question, we were given 5 volts and a 25 ohm resistor. So for example, if our question consists of 2 resistors in this way, and we were asked, so this is one resistor and this is one resistor. we need to use equivalent resistor, whether it is a parallel series or a parallel resistance. We need to use accordingly, and we need to find the solution. So according to this concept, we'll deal it in the next video. For now, let's concentrate on this part. So now we have V is equal to 5 volts and resistance is equal to 25 ohms. So what will our I be? I is equal to V by R, that is 5 by 25, which means 1 by 5. So our I will be 0.2 ampere. So this is the solution of our particular question. So this is how we solve problems using Ohm's law. In the next video, I will tell you how to find the resistance and voltage with this combination, and then we'll deal with series resistance and parallel resistance. I hope you understood, and if you're having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.